Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have a double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, brand new timing cover, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted to black, correct oil pan for the 67 Camaro, real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue with all the wire markers on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, 383 stroker valve covers with a matching air cleaner with a washable filter, polished intake manifold, chrome thermostat housing, thermostats installed, braided PCV line on there, PCV valves installed, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket and throttle cable ball installed, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on a 67 Camaro for firewall clearance right there, manifold vacuum T fitting in there for any vacuum hookups. We have the customers getting TKX transmission. We put the SFI QuickTime steel bell housing, center force, clutch, all aligned, all set up. We have the TKX 5-speed transmission on here. Right over here, we have the internal hydraulic throwout bearing assembly. We have measurements all set for the customer, braided lines all on there. Special shifter assembly for the 67 Camaro, all set. We will be mounting that on the engine after the test, and it'll be shipped on an extended skid. We have the high torque mini starter on here, chrome dipstick and tube, muscle car series fuel pump, all the Edelbrock braided fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor, Edelbrock gas filter on there in blue. Customer is getting the March Serpentine Style Track Pulley kit with the AC compressor, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator, and the GM Saginaw power steering pump. We will be installing that, and we will test the engine with the Pulley kit on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over an hour. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing for you. We adjust the idle mixture screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. Check for leaks. Everything has gone over extremely close, so you'll have total confidence when you put the engine in. You know it'll be 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or you can send us a text at that number, or email us at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it. This is our 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower engine with the TKX transmission package and bell housing and clutch setup. Thanks for watching.